All right, generate image 20. Okay, so this one I go remake this one, Jerry, with her on top on the bed. Should make sense. Let me even see her main room. Okay, yeah, it should make sense. Why would they generate this thing without her on the bed? Is that one crazy? Okay, so we still have these ones. So after image 20, we'll now go back to this one again and complete it. Let her be on the bed, right? And then after that, we can now, let me see. I want to see something. The prayer, this thing. Okay. Okay, yeah. After the prayer, I'm going to add another one. After the prayer, she covers her curtain. She closes her curtain. All right. After the prayer, she closes her curtain. So I'm going to do that one because this her room makes sense. Suppose close the curtain. Right. So remake image 16. She has to be on that bed, sleeping. All right, so this is how you go about it. All right, while you're creating, you can still have more inspiration and you still add something. All right, it's just what people see is the end product. They don't see the process. What they see is the end product. So that is it. At the end of the day, initially it was 15 images. Now it's about 21 images, and each of them will add extra detail to the video. That's the essence. Each of them adds extra information to the video, something that ChatGPT didn't really reason initially, right? So you being the creator, you know what you want to add, you know the feeling you want to, to get. You want it to be cinematic, you want it to look intentional and not just AI cut something, right? So you just have to be the one to think about some of these things, and you create them. When you now edit them, everything now makes sense together, right? So after this image now, I'm going to create the one where she closes the curtains of her room, right? And then the next one would be now to get the prompt, the video prompt to animate the videos. So let me tell you, I will create one more image. I have not seen this one it did though, but I believe it did it well. If it did not do it well, I will leave it like that. I cannot come and kill myself. So I would like a scene where she approaches her room. Good. Her room curtain. Right, her room curtain to close it. Note that the curtain or curtains will still be open. She's just about to to slide them close. So all right, let me just send it like that. Then after this one, we'll now animate the images. I don't know, I find it difficult to download images from my ChatGPT what they call it, mobile app. I don't know why, but let me try. Sometimes it's network, but let me try if this one will go. So for this picture now, you can see that the tap is already running, right? So I'm going to animate it such that it's I'm going to have two versions. where she now she when she where she locks it, where she locks it. That's the version I'll have. So that I'm going to use it 2 times to create when she opens it or when she locks it. Just for inspiration, Shabo. The water is already running, right? So okay, saved. Nice. Water is already running. So I'm going to make her off it. I'm going to make her off it. This time around I'm not using ChatGPT prompt. I'm going to um do it by myself. I'm going to do it by myself, right? Because ChatGPT might now start introducing complex stuff that will now spoil the intention. So I'm just gonna do it by myself and should work out like that. So I already have the first one. So while this one is downloading, I can go to okay, I can go to start animating. Let me just click download for here. And I go to Meckury AI. I go to create video, upload the one we have. We have this one. So I can now give it a prompt. That's maintain camera angle. But we don't get to see our face now. So let's say hand turns off, tap, water stops. Water stops running. So it can be this simple sometimes. You don't really have to use sophisticated language, say you want to do prompting, because the AI understands. 5 seconds is enough. 5 seconds are enough, right? So let's see if this one is done downloading. Okay, saved. So the next image is so it's still not opening yet. So it's not opening yet. Okay, off. Okay, thank God I already have enough. So okay, so I think we've saved this one. So we'll now save this one where she's approaching her. Okay, there's actually inconsistency here because this is not the exact clothes rack on the other image, and in that other image she was wearing black. I cannot even save this one safe. Okay, I cannot even create another image here, so I'm going to leave that one out. Because she's supposed to be wearing, unless I can use this one for when she wants to go and approach the mirror. Yeah, when she wants to approach the mirror, right? So I can use that one. Then this one too, I'll download this one. So is this done? Let me upload the next one. The next one is this one. Close up, maintain camera angle and framing. Hand locks the door and then uses the door handle to verify verify that the door is actually locked. Door is actually locked, right? So that's what I want to do. I want her to lock it, and then she now hold the handle and check it. I think all of us we do it in Africa. Right, I'm going to use 10 seconds to allow AI time to to create the animation. I'm going to use 10 seconds, and once my this thing activates, I'm going to just push it. So the next one, I think this one it hasn't saved yet. I'm going to wait for it to save, after which I will continue with the next one. Okay, so we now have this one, the last one. I have not seen it yet, but hopefully it will make sense, right? If it doesn't make sense, I'll continue like that. I cannot come and kill myself. So yeah, where are we? Is this done? Okay, something is still creating. You just have to wait. Okay, the network is bad right now. Oh, let me even see the ones we have already. We have this one. Okay, we have this one. So it's remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. This last one. Network is very bad. So, but I just believe that we understand, to this point. So let me not stress you guys, showing you these other extra details. We understand. I believe you understand it. So, after animation, we'll now see ourselves in CapCut, where we edit everything.